Are you daydreaming of a luxurious swimming pool shimmering in your own backyard? Your dream is just a splash away with San Juan Fiberglass Pools. Our pools are meticulously crafted, designed with your utmost comfort and satisfaction at heart. Created from high-grade materials, our pools are built to stand the test of time, ensuring durability and longevity. And the choices are endless. Large or small, rectangular or freeform, San Juan Pools can fit seamlessly into any backyard. Dreaming of something more unique? We offer a wide range of customizable options, from striking lighting to soothing water features. You can craft a personalized pool that is uniquely yours. But these features are not just for show. They guarantee a pool experience that you can relish for years without worrying about wear and tear. San Juan Fiberglass Pools are not just about the look, they're about the lifestyle. Stay active with swimming, a low-impact exercise, or just relax with family and friends, creating memories that will last a lifetime. And let's not forget, a pool in your backyard can elevate the value of your property, making it an investment that reaps rich rewards. So, what's stopping you? Dive into your dreams with a San Juan Fiberglass Pool. Contact us today and embark on the journey to create your own backyard oasis.